Hi guys, hopping on here really quick to show you this. I found these bacon infused cheeses at BevMo and decided that they might make fantastic keto crackers. So I put them on a cookie sheet with a silicone mat. We're gonna plop them in the oven at 400 degrees, and we're just gonna watch them until they look like crackers. Stay tuned. Whoop. As you can see, the super white soft cheese slices burnt, but the rest look okay. I am going to call this, oh wow, whoa, hot. I'm going to call this a success. So 400 degrees for your oven, probably 10 to 12 minutes, but you really gotta watch them. Look at this. We have crackers, you guys. We have crackers. Woo!